Okay, so good morning, everyone. This is Mom Glads, and I welcome you all to my practical research channel. That this is already the qualitative edition. So welcome, guys, and I thank everyone for joining. I already have 47 participants as of the moment. All right. So let's begin. Gaya ng sinabi ko, I am advancing this lesson since this thing here is very important. Napaka-importante siya para skip or i-miss natin. Now, let me screen share this APA referencing. Okay, this is already 7th edition. So, this is a brief guide of what we are expected to have. Nakikita niyo ba, guys? Na-review niyo na? Na-review niyo?
Hindi
Mission
pa po, ma'am.
ko.
Not yet, ma'am.
Not
Okay
yet.
na, ma'am.
Okay na, ma'am.
Nakikita na, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Now, as you can see, sinasabi dito, referencing is acknowledge the source of information, ideas, words, and image you have used in your assignment. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nagre-referencing tayo, you are expected to acknowledge, all right, the owner of the idea, okay, of the words and images that you are using sa certain assignment ninyo or sa certain research output ninyo. Guys, paki-assist yung yung nag-a-ask ng help dun sa group chat. So, you use referencing to distinguish between your ideas and words and those that belongs to other people. Okay? Kaya nga, referencing is very important kasi ideas kasi na ginagamit natin, halimbawa, if we get it from the internet, guys, meron kasi ang intellectual property. Okay? So, that belongs to someone, hindi lang natin pwedeng kunin. Tama? O, ballpen nyo nga pag sa inyo, ayaw nyo kunin ng iba, magagalit kayo pag someone else get it. Ano pa kaya yung idea na pinaghirapan ninyo? Pag ganun pababanat pa ako ng jowa nyo nga, ayaw nyong agawin ng iba. Idea pa kaya ng sarili ninyo na pinaghirapan ninyo. Correct? So, we are obliged to really make use of referencing kasi this will give support in writing, no? In writing. Kasi bakit? Nagbibigay siya ng evidence that will actually prove kung ano yung mga points na gusto nyo i-emphasize sa research niyo. Okay? You cannot just, kasi tayo personally, we are not yet licensed, no, to say something about a certain topic, most especially when kung wala pa tayong napapatunayan in terms of, say, writing a book or writing an article, di ba? So, hindi pa tayo, kumbaga, acknowledge to say something. Kaya nga, ginagamitan natin ng mga idea of other people who are already acknowledged, okay? Or who are already has the authority to do so or to say so. Okay? Sinasabi rin dito, referencing enables reader to investigate ideas they find interesting or useful. Okay? Pwede nating ma-validate. So meaning, there are ideas kasi na pwedeng sabihin natin na nagsusupport sa sabihin natin ideas na pinaglalaban ninyo sa research niyo. And there are those ideas also na nagko-contradict. So meaning, we can make use of that to look into certain ideas na gusto natin ipaglaban or gusto natin i-emphasize sa research natin. Okay, we make use of these ideas to show your tutor exactly which sources you have read and to avoid plagiarism. Kapag sinabi natin plagiarism, meaning nang agaw kayo ng idea ng ibang tao without proper acknowledgement. Okay? Sabihin, inagaw niyo yung jowa ng classmate ninyo kahit hindi pa sila break. Ganon. So, kidding aside, no, it's very important talaga na hindi natin siya i-disregard. There are different styles of referencing. So, gumagamit tayo ng iba't ibang style, but ang i-discuss ko ngayon will be APA referencing the 7th edition kasi ito yung gagamitin natin sa research natin. Meron kasing Chicago type of referencing and so on and so forth. Ang dami pa nila. So, ito lang, kung ano lang yung gagamitin natin, yun lang muna ang i-mention ko. Now, there are two parts of referencing. So, in-text citation and reference list. Okay, at the end of your assignment. So, meaning, lahat ng mga ideas na kukunin ninyo in the internet, kailangan i-reference natin or i-cite natin yan sila. Now, how can we do this one? Okay, para maging guided kayo. Punta tayo sa basic. Now, take a look at this one. Nakikita niyo tong share ko ngayon na screen?
Wala pa.
Nakikita niyo yung word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Now, what we will be doing is, halimbawa, you already have your topic, correct? Correct? Tapos,
Yes, ma'am.
meron na kayong mga ideas na gusto ninyong i-search. We will begin here with information. Bitin ko. Bitin ko ha. Wait. Information of the author. So meaning, dito sa information of the author, guys, you are going to write data or information about one, name of the author. Okay. Followed by the year, kung kailan pinublish. Next is the title of the article, of the book, of the section na napagkuhanan nyo ng idea. Okay. Kung meron din siyang school or halimbawa department, kasi usually meron din yan siya, so you can include it. Tapos, publisher. Okay. And, sa dati kasi, they ask for when you access the information, but I think sa 7th edition, they do not ask for it anymore. Okay? So, now, punta tayo, idea, or say, sabihin natin, gusto nyo nang mag-search ng, halimbawa, ng idea, no? You will be searching for, hindi ko siya maano, wait lang. Magsa-search na kayo ng, ang tawag natin dito, information, sabihin natin. Ito, iitan ko lang. Search tayo dito. Nakaka-follow kayo, guys? Nakikin ko?
Ma'am, wala kami nakikita.
Walang screen na nakikita?
Hindi po, ma'am. Nandun pa rin
Yes,
po sa
ma'am. Yes,
referencing, ma'am.
Wala?
Andun,
Doon
yes,
pa rin
ma'am.
kami sa referencing, ma'am.
ABA pa rin
Naiwan kayo
dumikit.
doon. Sige, sige, sige. New share, wait. New share. Screen. Yan, kita niyo na?
Yes, po.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So say for instance, magsa-search tayo ng sabihin natin definition of sabihin natin ano ba? Definition of coronavirus. Yan. Kakagulo na sila sa group chat. So, wait lang ha, naglo-loading pa guys. So mainam guys, if ever you will be searching for ideas, much better talaga kung mga naka PDF files yung hanapin ninyo. Kasi commonly sila yung kumbaga masyadong useful sa ano natin, change natin ng PDF. Bawa, ito. Yan. Makaka-follow pa kayo?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
O, ngayon, meron tayo dito. Activity. Dapat maka-follow kayo. Tagal mag-load. So, by the way, as what I made mention, upload ko siya sa YouTube channel so that others na gustong mag-watch nito could actually rewatch this one. Most especially yung mga members niyo, i-encourage niyo sila mag-watch. So, say for instance, this one.
Ma'am, naka-record to?
Opo, this is recorded. So, say for instance, you would get natin ha. This one. Okay, nakita niyo yung highlight ko? Kita niyo yung highlight ko?
Yes.
O, ikakopy
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I-transfer natin dito sa Word. Kita niyo itong Word? Kita niyo yung Word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes po, ma'am.
So, ita-transfer natin siya dito sa Word. And then, ililabel muna natin siya ng exact words or idea. Words or idea. Yan. Followed by, so ito na yung ano ninyo, kinapi-paste. So ngayon, itong mga words, itong mga information of the author, i-fill out nyo na to. So halimbawa, balikan nyo. Dito nyo nahanap yan lahat sa ano, ang information sa, halimbawa, dito. So since ito, ang author ninyo will be World Health Organization. So yan. Ibig sabihin, not necessarily author ha, pwedeng organization. So, World Health Organization. Tapos here, na pinablish ito, tingnan niyo here, April 23, 2020. Kunin niyo yan lahat ng info. Tapos title is this one. Yan, kunin niyo lang lahat ng information na pwede ninyong makuha. School, wala namang school. So, most likely, ang publisher, check natin kung meron sila. Grabe, no? Ang dami pala talaga, oh. But there are also other, na wala silang cases talaga. So, wala silang publisher. So, most likely, World Health pa rin siya. And then, since meron silang, ang tawag natin dito, website. Okay. So, pwede ninyo i-copy paste yung website dito. Sorry. So, yan. Copy niyo yung website nila. Yan. And then, di ba, kinopy nyo na yung exact words. So, ngayon, I want you to paraphrase it. This is our way para makaiwas tayo ng plagiarism. Okay, kailangan i-paraphrase natin. So, SARS-CoV-2 was identified in early January and its genetic sequence shared publicly on 12 to 13 of January. So, paraphrasing nyo. Meaning, when we say paraphrase, diba, you are going to say it or state it in your own words. Merong mga memes na lumalabas sa Facebook na ginagawa lang active or passive voice. Actually, correct siya. You can do that one. So, sabihan natin, last January 11 to 12, okay, ano to? SARS-CoV-2 was publicly announced. Yeah. This was identified in early this was identified later in January. Mga ganon. So, nakaiwas na kayo sa plagiarism because you paraphrase na the words of the authors. Tapos, ngayon, how are we going to make this one into InText citations? Meron pa tayong sinasabi na ano ba to? Synthesis. Okay. So meaning you're going to eto by the way guys, ang synthesis kung needed lang siya in a certain discussion. Kung halimbawa nagdi-discuss na kayo ng mga results, so most likely pwede kayo mag-write ng synthesis. Okay, but kung hindi siya needed, pwede lang naman natin siya i-skip. Now, how are we going to make this paraphrase words ninyo into an in-text citations? Kapag sinabi natin in-text citations kasi, ito na yung mag-a-appear sa word ninyo or sa chapters ninyo. Halimbawa, i-copy-paste natin to, no? In-text citations can be presented in two types. Pwedeng, halimbawa, dito nyo ilalagay, kapag una nyo palang minention yung, halimbawa, yung abbreviation, kasi World Health Organization can be abbreviated. So, kung halimbawa, once nyo palang siya minention, okay, so pwede nyong ilagay yung entire word niya or entire definition. So, ganon. Lalagay natin, ang year is 2020. Tapos, you just have to add words that, or verbs that could be used para sa definition na binigay natin. So, World Health Organization, kulang tayo ng verb dito sa gitna. Sabihin natin, mention that, ayan, last January 11 to 12, SARS-CoV-2 was publicly announced. This was identified later in January. So, meron na kayong, yan, nakabigin na kayo ng statement ninyo. So, you can do this one across all parts of your research. Sa background of the study, theoretical framework, review of related literature, etc. So, nakita nyo how it is being done? Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes
Yes,
po,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
balik tayo doon dito sa discussion natin.
Ma'am,
Dito
pwede
kayo sa
magtanong,
ano?
ma'am?
Nasa apa na tayo?
Pwede magtanong, ma'am?
Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Pwede magtanong,
Nasa
ma'am?
PDF file na
Yes.
tayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
an in-text citation is in the body of your assignment and can either be a paraphrase or a quotation. So, gaya lang dito sa example natin. Oh, paraphrasing is putting in your own words what the author has written. When paraphrasing, there are two ways you can reference. The author's name can be incorporated in your text or included in the bracket with the year of publication. So, tignan ninyo. Kapag once you make use of the in-text citation, once the name of the author is included in the sentence, o halimbawa, in her book, Van der Ham, kung nakita ninyo, since si Van der Ham is included in the sentence, nilabas natin siya sa parentheses. Ang year lang ang pinasok natin. Stresses that fundamental importance of education to society. So, nasa labas yung name niya. But since dito, sa second example, central to modern society is a belief in the importance of education. Oh, nakita ninyo yung Van der Ham is not included in the sentence. So, nakita ninyo, pinasok siya kasama ng year. So, ako, niname ko siya as, ano to? Beginning citation, pati ending citation. Kapag beginning citation, yun na, ang year lang ang nasa loob ng parenthesis. Yung ending citation, doon natin sinasama yung name sa loob, at saka yung year sa loob ng parenthesis. Okay. Next, let's proceed to quoting. Quoting is copying the author's exact word. So when quoting, there are two ways you can reference. The author's name can be incorporated in your text or can be included in the bracket with the year of publication and the page. Ano yung difference ngayon ng in-text citations na paraphrasing at saka ng quotation? Sa quotation, we make use of the name of the author, the year, with the page kung saan ninyo nakuha yung idea. So definitely, pagbalik ninyo doon dito sa word natin, kailangan nyo rin isama yung page. Halimbawa, dito, mag-insert kayo ng page if ever needed siya. Okay? So, ganon. So, we have here the list or the reference list. O, ito yung ginagawa natin. Later on, turuan ko kayo kung paano to ginagawa sa Microsoft Word. So, kailangan guys, you have to be very alert na every time kukuha kayo ng idea sa internet, kailangan kunin nyo talaga yung information ng author para hindi kayo mahirapan. Kaya nga, I am introducing this lesson to you ahead of time para hindi nyo kailangan balikan yung mga tao na hindi naman kayo minahan. Joke. Hindi
Sana all.
kailangan balikan yung mga reference na isi-search nyo siya ulit, that is going to be very difficult. So, kailangan ito na, by the time na nag-get kayo ng information, kunin nyo na right away yung reference or yung information ng authors so that we can make the reference right away without giving you so much hassle. So, ito yung guides natin sa mga authors. Okay? All authors' names begin with a surname, okay, followed by their initial. If there is no author, place the title and the book's author position. Okay. So, pareha dito. Kapag one author lang ang book, andito yung name, gaya ng sinabi dito, surname, followed by the initial. Okay. Next will be the year. Okay. Followed by the title of the book at saka anong edition siya. Guys, malalaman nyo kung book siya kapag meron siya mga edition. And then this is the publisher, the Guildford Press. That is the publisher. Kung two authors naman, ganun pa rin, family name, initial, we make use of ampersand. Okay? Ampersand ang tawag natin dito sa end na to. But kung gagamit kayo ng, halimbawa, dalawa ang authors ninyo dito sa InText Citations, you are going to make use of the word and talaga, A-N-D. Okay? Kapag dito kayo sa beginning citation. Alright? Sa InText Citation, gagamit kayo ng word na and talaga, A-N-D. But if you are going to make use of the and dito sa reference, you make use of the ampersand followed by the year. Okay? Kung merong month, so you can write the month, tapos the title of the title of the article. This is the journal name, tapos followed by the page. Okay? Nakakasunod?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Let's proceed dito sa next 3 to 20 authors. So, halimbawa, you have several authors, so pwede nyo namang ilista. Pero kung madami na, halimbawa 20 yan na senior, no? It's going to be very difficult if you will list all. So, we make use of the word et al. Okay? Et al. So, kapag sinabi natin et al, yan natin. Here, parang ganito. Kapag marami silang author, ito, we make use of the word et al. Like that. Et al. Kita nyo?
Yes po, ma'am.
Bawa.
Yes, ma'am.
Gamitin natin sa ano? Flores, G, Castillo, Jane,
Ma'am, ma'am.
up, Flores, wait lang. Nakita nyo yung screen share ko?
Yes,
Yes po,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sabihin natin,
Yes, ma'am.
et al. So, ganun. Kapag madami na siya masyado, pwede pa naman mag-list, I think, hanggang 4 or 5. Pero other would say na 3, pwede na. Mas mag-et al na lang daw. Meaning ng et al and others. So, yan.
Parang et cetera, ma'am.
Po.
Parang et cetera.
Yeah, etc. That's the ano dyan. And others ang sa ano natin. Now, let's go to books. So, books with DOI. Ito yung author. Okay. Authors natin, dalawa. Year of publication, as you can see. Book title na, as you can see, it is being presented in italics. Okay. Tapos yung publisher natin. Okay. Tapos here, as you can see, kung author naman is organization, pwede naman siya. Gaya ng minention kanina, kung halimbawa walang author, pero publication siya, gaya ng sinample ko kanina sa World Health Organization, we make use of the organization. Okay? With period. Yan, tignan nyo, may period. Year of publication, books, book title in italics. Tapos ito yung DOI niya. So this example does not have a publisher as the publisher is the same as the author. Oh. Since doon, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina sa sample natin sa Word, hindi natin nilagay ulit yung World Health Organization since hindi pa tayo nakagawa dito. This is how we do it sa World Health Organization. So, i-copy natin tong World Health Organization. Anong kulang? Anong kulang?
Date pa ba, ma'am?
Period, ma'am.
Period, ma'am.
Period.
Pasok natin siya sa parentheses. Tapos, anong next? It's going to be the next.
Period.
Title.
Very good. The title of the article. Balikan natin si ano. Pero guys, kung ano, much better na i-save nyo muna yung mga files. I-save nyo muna yung mga files.
Opo, ma'am. Opo. Ma'am, is this the exact thing that we are going to do, ma'am?
Ito, palakihan.
Opo, ma'am.
Palakihan natin ang konti. So, balik tayo sa taas, sa title. So, sabihin natin, this one is the title. So, balik tayo sa words. Paste natin yung title. Anong kulang? Paste dito sa ano? Sa guidelines. Anong kulang? Kulang tayo dito ng period. Title will be in?
Period, ma'am, and
Title will be in?
Italize.
Italize natin siya. Okay. And then, what else? Sinabi dito, themes. Ito kailangan natin kunin yung DOI niya if meron. But if wala, then okay. So, this example does not have publisher as the publisher is the same as the author. So, definitely, yun na. Wala na tayong i-add doon. Ito na siya. That is already your, but kung halimbawa gusto nyo ilagay, kung halimbawa, kailangan natin ng website nila, so we put this one. Yan. Tapos, ina-arrange natin to siya. Ganyan. And then, hilain natin to. So, that is how you make your reference. Kuha ninyo, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Klaro?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
I hope you can follow, ha? So, sa online books, ito na siya, ang sample na binigay natin kanina. This belongs to online book or article. So, as you can see, nandyan lang lahat sa guide na binigay ko. Just have to look into it. Isasend ko to yung file sa inyo sa group chat para pwede ninyong tignan. So, meron tayo dito, online books, ganun din. Author in an edited book. Okay. Chapter title, don't forget in. Kasi meaning, in-edit ko siya ang book na to. Dito tayo sa chapter in an edited book, ha. Tapos book editors, meron tayong mga editors. So, kailangan kunin nyo din yung name ng editors. Kung halimbawa, nakakuha talaga kayo ng book file, kanin nyo yung mga, alam nyo yung after the first page, yung second page na merong mga information yun, titignan. Tapos book title in italics din. Tapos yung chapter page, tapos ang publisher, ang DOI natin. Kasi usually, naglalagay talaga ng DOI kapag online books. Tapos articles, so ito siya. Include the DOI after the page number if one is given. If given. If wala, wala tayong magagawa. Okay? Online without DOI, as you can see, ang nilalagay is URL. Gaya ng ginawa natin kanina. Since wala siyang DOI, ang nilagay natin is URL. So, yun. Web page, ganun din. No date, ito yung importante na malaman. Author. Author, name ng author. Since wala siyang date, no date or ND. Sa presentation na nilalagay natin doon sa sa Word, halimbawa ito siya, walang nilagay na nilalagay natin undated. So, ganun. Kapag halimbawa walang sa appear sana ND. Doon sa society or InText Citation, undated ang lalabas siya. Kuha niyo? Klaro? Okay, good. So,
yes po, ma'am.
hearing ko, ha. So, we are going to end muna dito. One at a time. Walang pumapasok. Tapos na. Okay. Now, what I made mention, guys, all of this can be used, can be used across all of the parts of the research. Ito muna. Pwede siyang gamitin across all parts of the research. Sa background of the study, sa theoretical framework, sa review of related literature, kahit na sa chapter 3, which is the methodology, and chapter 4 sa discussion part, pwede pa rin siyang magamit. Most especially, sabihin natin sa theory, sa review of related literatures. These are compilation of mga ideas of authors that can either support or contradict yung mga points na ine-emphasize niyo sa research niyo. And at the same time, halimbawa sabihin natin sa chapter 4, later on kasi after natin um, i-code yung mga sagot ng mga participants natin, we will be asked to present mga backup studies or backup literature that can strengthen yung claims ng mga answers or mga results ninyo sa discussion and sa findings ninyo. Right? So, any question guys na gusto niyo i-ask bago tayo formally mag-end ng ano
Ma'am,
natin?
regarding dun sa publisher, ma'am, at school, ma'am, if walang nakalagay,
Ano?
ma'am,
I
hindi
can't
nyo na
wait.
kami.
Yeah,
Regarding dun,
pwede mo
ma'am,
lakasan?
regarding sa school at publisher, pag wala nakalagay, hindi nyo naman pini-question po, di
Opo,
ba?
hindi na po. Kasi meron talaga
Okay,
common,
ma'am.
wala talaga. Hindi talaga nagpo-provide or kasi not unless certain research are published in schools or university. So nagpo-provide sila, but kung not, then definitely wala. Kasi meron mga publishers talaga na nagpapublish talaga ng research.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Schools such as halimbawa sabihin natin Stanford University or halimbawa doon siya pinpublish yung research or sabihin natin sa Philippines, sabihin natin University of the Philippines kasi meron man silang own publishers sila doon. So sila yung university mismo ang napapublish ng mga work. So yun ang nagiging publisher. Anything else?
Ma'am, what if we fail to follow the rules, ma'am, in writing the research, ma'am?
Rashad, paki-louder please.
If when hindi po namin na-follow yung instructions, ma'am, it will be considered, ma'am, as minus points.
Of course. Kaya nga siya binigay ko ahead of time. If we will look into module sequence, I think sa ano pa siya, ito dinidiscuss to sa I think sa review of related literature, binigay ko na siya ahead of time para hindi nyo na nga kailangan balik-balikan pa yung work kasi it will consume you a lot of time kung halimbawa mag-i-edit pa kayo kasi mali yung pagkagawa ninyo ng citations. Kaya siya ini-introduce as early as now para hindi na kayo paulit-ulit. And maximize tayo ng time kasi we don't have the luxury of the time. What else?
Ma'am,
Oh.
example po, ma'am. Pag example, meron na kami citation, ma'am. Pwede ipakita, ma'am. Para
Pwede.
i-check nyo pwede ipakita sa inyo, ma'am, para kung correct ba, ma'am.
I can check it kapag nakaano naman na siya. Halimbawa, nilagay niyo na talaga siya sa background of the study ninyo. Anyway, chine-check ko, nagko-comment man talaga ako doon kung ano yung mali doon. Anyway, hindi naman ako ganun ka-strict. Kahit na halimbawa, there will be corrections with that. Hindi naman na magmi-mean talaga na magma-minus ng 5 points for that. Hindi naman. Justifiable ano lang naman siya. Corrections or deductions lang. Ganun. Anything else?
Thanks, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Opo.
Yes, how about the title, ma'am?
Title. Ang title yung next natin
Yes,
na
ma'am.
target. Sa research ninyo ngayon, sa module, saan na tayo parte? Di ba? Sa ano pa lang tayo? Saan na ba tayo? Sa module ninyo? Ano yung discussion sa module? Yeah, sa week 5.
Quantitative and qualitative, ma'am.
Okay.
Qualitative
Saan pa lang
research,
tayo?
ma'am.
Hindi pa tayo nagta-title, di ba? Pero sa research topic pa lang tayo.
Yes po. Yes po,
Opo.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Eksakto. So, by the time na mag-reach tayo, ito lang, guide ko lang sa inyo para sa research title. I wish to ask kung pwede, dapat align talaga siya sa strand niyo. So, kung ABM kayo, ABM, dapat yung yung topic niyo dapat for ABM talaga siya inclined. Para hindi kayo mahirapan. Pati hindi niyo naman aagawan yung iba. Halimbawa, you ABM, tapos ang title na gagawin niyo pang ICT. So kawawa alam niyo ICT instead na pwede nilang magamit yung topic na yon para sa kanila, tapos kinuha na lang. What else? Very good kayo guys. Very good. I appreciate what you are doing.
Ma'am,
Po.
ano ulit ma'am ano ulit po yung research namin, qualitative or quantitative?
Qualitative.
Okay po, ma'am.
Qualitative. Or kapag sinabi nating qualitative guys, we are looking into experiences, okay, perception. Although perception daw is considered to be pinakamababang study na I mean, ano ba, yung parang, ano ba yan siya, yung validity niya ba? Parang lower lang yung validity kasi perspective lang ang kinukuha natin. We are after, yun na nga, experiences, okay, of kasi kapag sinabi natin qualitative research, more on experiences, okay, more on perspectives, okay, more on constructs tayo dito. Kasi sa quantitative kasi we are more on variables, dito more on constructs tayo. Ibig sabihin yung mga ideas of the people, yung mga napagdadaanan nila. That is that is qualitative. Okay? What else?
Ma'am, more about ma'am sa groupings ma'am. Pag sino hindi tumulong ma'am, pag sino hindi tumulong ma'am, meron pa ring grado or wala ma'am?
I discussed it earlier kanina. We have protocols with that, with regards to that. Mga walang naitulong, sorry to say, but you'll really be getting 0. Okay, but those others na kung halimbawa merong naiambag but the leaders are not very satisfied with that, there will be deduction of points. What else? What else, guys? Minute ko na po. What else? Guys?
Wala na po ako question ma'am.
Wala na po.
Yung mga bagong salta. Sorry kasi masyado na kayong late. But you can rewatch this one later sa channel. Post ko sa inyo yung channel. So, okay na tayo? No more questions? So, we will end the one at a time.
None na, ma'am.
One at
Wala
a
na po,
time
ma'am.
muna tayo para
No more na, ma'am.
baka
No more na, no.
aayawan nyo na agad yung research. Okay? So, if there's no question na, thank you so much, guys, for joining me.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Joining me po.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much po for joining with me here sa class natin. So, as what I made mention, I will be posting this one sa channel. So, let your members watch this one para they will also learn. Kasi, gaya ng sinabi ko, i-divide natin yung mga tasks. So, kung halimbawa, meron na kayong mga target na ideas, ibibigay nyo yan sa mga members niyo. So, halimbawa, si member 1, ito yung ipapahanap ninyo na idea. Si member 2, ito. Tapos, you let them comply with the, nakita nyo yung word file kanina?
Yes po, yes po.
Yes, ma'am.
Ipa-compile,
Yes, ma'am.
ipa-pass ninyo sa kanila. Ipa-pass ninyo sa kanila. So, that is what you're going to ask from them. Okay, para madali yung pag-compile ninyo later ng mga trabaho. Kasi leaders are the ones na expected na mag-edit para gawin siyang output talaga. Halimbawa, in chapter 1. Yung members, ganun yung expected na task nila, yung sa Word file. Tapos later on, yung leaders, you will be the one who's going to work on the polishing of your research. Tapos reassign other leaders also who will be looking into the modules na sinasabi ko kanina. Alright? So okay na tayo guys? Sure na to? Final na?
Opo, ma'am.
Final na, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
Thank you so
Yes,
much
ma'am.
guys for attending our Zoom class or Zoom meeting today. And I wish you all the luck sa practical research. Okay. If there will be questions, do not hesitate to ask me. You know, chat lang kayo doon sa ano. And kindly remind your members to do what is rightful for them to accomplish. So once again, this is Mom Glads, and this is Practical Research Channel, the qualitative edition. So thank you and goodbye, everyone. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you po.
Wait
ma'am.
lang, picture pala tayo, guys. Picture tayo.
Picture daw kagising ko.
Wag mo na kayo i-gallery ko muna siya.
Tutot na.
Yan. Wag mo na kayo galaw. You drag and drop. Reorder it. Tingnan ko muna. Ano dito? Meron pa rin tayong ganyan. Okay, wait lang ha. 1, 2, smile. Open yung camera nyo, guys. Sino yung camera nyo?
Smile naka-off.
Yung iba nakahiga pa, social. Sana all. Yung next na target ko, video ganyan. Magle-lecture ako tapos nakahiga. Open nyo yung camera nyo. Yasmi. Marlene. Raj Carl. Art. Open nyo, dali. Attendance to siya, guys. Tandaan ninyo.
Attendance, open cam.
Okay, open cam.
Ng bata na yan. Kasi
May points, ma'am. May points.
May point ba ka,
attendance
ma'am?
yan. Ready na.
Kung may points
Meron
naman, worth it.
Sino pa si
May bata.
Out mo.
Okay lang. Anyway, tapos na.
Basag cam ko, ma'am. Basag cam ko.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa ha? Yung mga next page. Smile pa rin kayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mag-leave mo po. Dagan niya alam mo.
Okay na guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.